inside. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we are again. Dito na naman tayo guys. Papakita ko sa inyo si Lolly. Ayan, I will show you. Lolly is eating. Ay nako, pasensya na guys, yung mga taga Philippines na kagaya ko, ini-English ko kasi may mga nagre-request ng English, kaya trying hard ako mga guys. Ay nako, may mga taga ibang bansa na nanonood, i-request nila na English daw para maintindihan nila, kaya trying hard ako. Ay nako, here we are again. Look at Lolly, she's eating pineapple. Lolly's eating pineapple guys. Look at her. Dinner time for Lolly. Mga dito nagdadasal. Nandito tayo nagdadasal. It's 10:10 in the night, but Lolly is still eating. Still eating her dinner. Nasaan na siya? Uy, paano ko dadalhin doon to? Paano ko dadalhin doon saan na siya? Lolly, come here, come here. Saan na siya? Ayun siya. Masuk. Ilalim ng bed. She's under the bed. She's under the bed, guys. She's under the bed. Look at her. Nasa ilalim siya ng kama, guys. She's under the bed eating. Look. She ran away from me. She ran away from me, guys. She's eating now. She's here. She's cleaning up. Oops. No. Lolita! Lolly, don't go there. Come. Look. Outside. Wait, open. The door is open. The door open. And she will go out. Labas kasi siya pag guys, pupunta doon sa kabilang. Ayan, buksan natin itong bahay niya. We'll open her house, so that if she want to go inside, she can go inside. Just leave it open like this.